Just a few minutes. It's already over. Good evening. Just I am checking the settings only. Not much time. Small balancing required. 1 minute. Small balance. I should put the weight also. See, once I get the app, these problems are not there because I can preset earlier and leave. Here not that way. Only after coming live, if I use direct YouTube without any app, I have to make all the settings after going live. That is one problem. Because there are some apps that are there. If app is used, that problem is not there because these settings all you can make earlier only. Okay. I will see how much visible now. Is the full board visible? Just comment. 1 minute, sir. Gone too much more. Little turning required here. Problem is this. Okay, now okay. I think. Right side is answer actually. Okay, 1 minute. I just slightly shift that side. If I touch a little, it's going beyond the limit. 1 minute. Just a minute. Over. Okay. Now okay. Voice I'll check now. Okay. I will not go beyond one line. I just put the line here. Up to where I can go. I should have a stand for putting this one. 1 minute. Up to here. Little this side. Okay. Voice also okay? I will start. I kept the paper somewhere here. 1 minute. See, yesterday class, I wanted that X value. I wrote everything. 10 minutes I waited. Nobody responded. I got somewhat frustrated. If that much response is not there, why take the class? That feeling came. Then I suddenly left it. No, some of you may be having problem, I know it. I am not blaming everybody. But at least good participation means at least somebody will give the answer. Then instead of spoiling the problem, just around 1 hour earlier, I recorded that one, but actually live only, but unlisted, then made public. I sent the closing part of that question. How much is the X value? Substituting, how much deflection came? You got it? You already saw it? Did you already see it? I already sent it earlier. Class number BSK class 166 or deflection class 16 extended. I wrote extended. Okay, now continue. At least give fast answer. Do not waste time. See, now I will write here. Our question is, see, I write question here. Our question is simply supported beam. See, some importance is there. Simply supported beam. See, there is a support here. Usually support width is not required. Usually you show the support like this. Later I will explain once again. See, usually you show support like this. Simple support. But actually some support width will be there. That I require for next concept. See, there is UDL here of, I think it is 36 kN per meter. You should tell the answer now. kN per meter. Then this point load I remember, it is 150 kilonewton. And then I should see there is a UDL over. Then there is one point load here of, after 36 which came 511.5, that reaction. That is, what is that point load? That point load is 120 kilonewton, I think, correct? No, 180 kilonewton. If I remember, it is 180 kilonewton acting at 3 meter from here. One more point load here, that is 120 kilonewton. That is acting at what distance? 4 meter from here. Okay, I'll do one thing now. I'll write here. This is 3 meter. Which one? 180 kilonewton. 124. Span between support is 12 meter. It has a left overhang of 3 meter, right overhang of 4 meter. Is everything correct? This reaction is VA, this reaction is VB. This point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D, this we took E, this we took F. Just check the question. Any loads are interchanged or any distance wrong? Check first. Any distance wrong or everything correct, because I can't change later. I'll see from there. Minus 36 antala, next reaction, and minus 120, minus 180, x minus 11. Is x minus 11 correct? But to nak 13, naku nak 8, into 3. This is not 3 meter, I think. 180 is at 5 meter. Okay. 180 is at 5 meter from here. See, 5 plus 3. If that is 5 meter, this gap will become 3 meter if you want. Correct? Okay. 3 meter. If requirement is there. Okay. Now correct. I am checking there. 180 into x minus 11. 120 into x minus 8. 120 into x minus. Is it? This is not 4 meter. How much this one? Tell me. This is not 4, I think. This is 3, I think, most probably. If I remember, see, as per the equation there, this is 3 meter. Tell me, is it 4 or 3? 3, correct. Then only that is tallying. This is 3 meter. So, if you want, this will become 4 meter. If you want. Okay, leave it. Okay, now, we already solved the question. See, this question already solved. First of all, your support reaction, see, your VB came, how much answer? VB came 511.5, correct? 511.5 kilonewton, VB reaction. And VA reaction is 514.5. This is calculated reaction. This is also correct. VA equal to 514.5 and VB equal to 511.5. Both are correct. Tell me. VB equal to 511.5, VA equal to 514.5. Both are correct. Tell correct reaction. Should not interchange. Yes. Okay. Now, make a note. We solved this question already yesterday, and little problem of irresponsibility, not from everybody, those who are regular. General public, some problem was there. I stopped the class, extended further. Okay. We already solved C origin. When C is origin, section should be here. It has to pass through UDL. Yes, passing, already over. Okay, now do one thing. Go for alternate solution. Alternate solution. Tell me, I will tell you why. Why I am doing all this. So that you will get a solid grip. At the end of the class, I will show you what grip I have got. Not now, too early. At the end of the class, after completing everything, I will show you what grip I have got. Okay, start. Alternate solution. Consider not left extreme end. See, right extreme end. Don't write re like that. Space problem. You should listen to my class. Right extreme end, that is D as origin. As origin. Right extreme and D as origin. Okay. And consider section XX. Origin means what? Red color. Consider section XX. Section XX. See, between last two standard points on other side. If I take D origin, last two standard points on other side, from that side, that is between after A and before C, between A and C, comma, at X from origin D. Origin D. Okay. Now, immediately make a note. One note you are right. It is required that when you see, we are taking D origin here, this is origin, section is going to be here, light line. It is required that section has to pass through UDL. Oh, unfortunately, not passing, therefore, this UDL extend up to C, and to balance it, introduce same UDL from after C, after A, up to C in upward direction. These all I told earlier, yes or no? The statement you are right. I am dictating here. It is required that section XX has to pass through UDL. Since it is not passing, extend the UDL up to C, and how much you extended to balance, apply same UDL in upward direction. Okay. Now draw a neat sketch. What I will do is, this sketch, this statement I am removing. Why? I want the space. I told you. This I am not all over. See. And one more thing. And one more note. Since right end is origin, slope theta is clockwise positive. You should be careful. Okay. This is also over. Now, this beam I will not remove. Now I will draw a neat sketch here. Neat sketch here. So that using that one, I will solve. See, neat sketch here. Little time if I take, no problem. See, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4. Okay, done. Now, there is a reaction here. VA equal to 514.5 kilonewton. There is a reaction here, that is VB equal to 511.5 kilonewton. There is a point load here of 150 kilonewton. There is UDL here from here to here. Okay. Then this is the point C, this is the point A, this point is B, this point is D. I'll put here. This point is D, and there is a point load here of 180 kilonewton. See, by solving same question by alternate approach, you don't know. I am risking the what? My capacity I can tell. My this one, what I can, there is a name, credibility. If answer is not telling, if something happens, then I will lose the face. And in the end of the class, I will do one more solution for you, further shortcut. And then I will show what grip I got. When I tell my grip, then if I make a mistake, I will lose my credibility. People will tell, he talks too much about the grip ball, then see what happened. Something happened. He became nervous. I hope I will not become nervous. Okay, now, section should be UDL. Somewhere right, wherever you want. This is 36 kN per meter. Okay, now all over. Don't write distances. Origin is D. Your X will come this way. Okay, then therefore section XX should be here. See. This is your X. From D origin, this is X. Now, as I told you, UDL to be extended and introduce upward UDL. This also is same UDL 36 kN per meter. Now, mark everything from origin. See the problem. All will change. 4 meter. Next standard point. This is E and F. F point. Mark here. From there, 4 plus 3 is 7 meter. Mark the point E. Everything from origin. I have seen so many people, they don't stick this one. They will take a section here and solve. And majority people ask doubt. Sir, bending one equation is not clear. Write this way. Let me see why not clear. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 is 11 meter. Mark this point. One more standard point from there. That is 4 plus 12, 16 meter. One more mark here from top and extreme end, that is 19 meter. Okay, now you want bending moment at section XX. I already wrote it to save the time. See correctly. Bending moment, clockwise, anti-clockwise is criminal offense. Some will feel hurt. So many still using the word clockwise, anti-clockwise for bending moment. One person, I will tell you, he has told left side if you see this is positive bending moment. He told right side if you see anti-clockwise, negative bending moment. That is called height of, I don't want comment. But you don't know the views, 3.5, 4 lakhs views. And comments you should see. Excellent grip, sir. This is out of this world teaching. Okay, people are there. There, side of the board all you cannot see like me. See here, you can see sometime when I focus, those things you can't see. Full clean board. Everything clean. And digital board. Why? Standard. Those things will not count for learning. Okay, start. BM here. In correct order from there, first you get UDL. 36 into X by 2. You should write minus 36 into X by 2. If you want write there, side you make a note here and write how I got. 36 X square by 2 hogging BM. After UDL, full over point reaction plus 511.5 into X minus 4 minus 120 into X minus 7 minus 180 into X minus 11. After that one, this reaction plus 514.5 into X minus 16. Then this upward UDL will come. See, this UDL full over plus 36 into this distance. This is X, this is 16. So those who want can write. So if this is X, this is 16, the small gap will be what? X minus 16. So 36 into X minus 16 is the load into X minus 16 by 2 becomes X minus 16 whole square by 2. Already thoroughly explained. So I don't want to explain again and again. Is the equation for BM equal to EI d square y by dx square. Happily integrate twice. Yes, I don't have to once again waste my time integrating. And remember, right side origin, theta is clockwise positive over. Deflection is upward positive. Start. Now, see the equation there. This I am not removing for some purpose. Calculation of constants C1 and C2. See, I told there are so many ways the beam will deflect. It is possible that middle will, between the support inner portion predominantly will come down and outer portion may go up if the span is heavily loaded, or if overhang is heavily loaded and heavy overhang is there, full beam will hog, even AB also can go up. But whatever happens, whether it bends this way or this way or whatever way, deflection at A and deflection at B support will always be what? Tell me answer. Irrespective of whatever way is the bending, at the support beam will touch the support. Tell me, deflection at the supports will be always how much? This also I told last time, 0. Therefore, you draw one rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch. We do not know. See, I will take elastic curve like this. Okay. Some will tell, no, this point C is going upwards. I will tell them that you will know later. Do you think I cannot know it? I will not be able to know it. When I look at the beam and see the beam, I can make out. Or within half minute, I will give deflection at this point. If anybody challenges me, don't tell that way. I am teaching general public. So this is A, this is B. Remember, none of them are origin. Deflection at A 0, deflection at B 0. And remember, your origin is here. D is the origin. And X goes this way. And remember, from here to here is 3 meter. And from here to here is, no, not 3 meter. 4 meter. From here to here is 16 meter. So, from the origin, if you go by 4 meter, you get zero deflection. From the origin, if you go to A, 16 meter, once again zero deflection. Start from there. Deflection at B equal to 0. This all I told you. That is, Y becomes 0 for X equal to 4 meter. Substitute where? Some people will ask, substitute where? I will ask them, why you came to my class? I told you, bus ticket means bus stand, railway ticket means railway station, flight ticket means airport. When you are using deflection condition, use deflection equation. That much common sense is not there. When you use deflection equation, they will see. If you go somewhere, buy a coupon in this hotel, use in this hotel, don't go to next hotel. Suppose you buy coffee, food to, suppose 2 adjacent hotels are there, Darshinis. One place, food is very good, eatable. Coffee is not good. Next, beautiful cup they give. What you do? You first take a dosa coupon here and go and take a coffee coupon. Dosa coupon use here, coffee coupon use there. Don't give the coffee coupon here. Start. Substituting in, right if you want. Deflection equation 0 equal to C1 into X. C1 into 4 plus C2 minus 36 into 4 power 4 by 24. Okay. Over. Or if you want, next term will be 0. Okay. Stop. Why? Since your X equal to 4 meter, see, 4 minus 7 will give negative inside the bracket. Or common sense. See, when you put X equal to 4 meter, only UDL will come. This will come and will not come. Why? 0. Other 120 will not come. Common sense. Okay, start. This will give you 4 times C1 plus C2 equal to, tell the answer, 36 into 4 power 4 by 24. How much? Tell me answer. Numerical value. 36 into 4 power 4 by 24. Answer. Fast. Don't waste time. 36 into 384. It will come minus 384 equal to 0. Take that side equal to plus 384. This is your equation number 1. Okay, now, one more boundary condition. Y at A equal to 0. That is, Y becomes 0 for X equal to, see, from here to here is 16 meter. Substitute again in deflection equation. 0 equal to C1 into 16 plus C2. Then sometimes people will tell C2 0. No, C2 is not 0. Minus 36 into 16 power 4 by 24, or 1 minute now. Since you are putting X equal to 16, all terms will come except these 2 terms. These 2 terms will not, or even if you consider no problem, 0 it will give you. Okay. 36 into 16.4, then plus 511.5 into 16, 16 ಅಲ್ಲ, into 16 minus 4 is 12 plus 12 cube divided by 6 minus 120 into 16 minus 7 is plus 9 cube by 6 minus 180 into 16 minus 11 is plus 3 cube by 6. Next is 0 and 0. Okay. Therefore, you get 16C1 plus C2 equal to, you should tell me what is this numerical value. That side I will take, you don't take. You tell me when you calculate this value, how much is the answer. That side I will take, don't take. Suppose you take that side and tell, I will again take that side. Answer. Number. That number required. Don't waste time. You tell whatever answer comes for this calculation. Fast. See, again, you should do it fast. Don't waste time. When the live, see, recorded class, you need lesser time because value I will calculate. Sometime what I will do, such questions all, I will pre-calculate. Because only reason why, if I calculate here, something goes wrong, and I rub it. So people know, those who know me, they know that I don't have to do pre-calculation. But recorded class, I usually calculate earlier, sometimes, when lengthy calculation is there, to save time. Now, see, you are not telling answer. This number minus, plus, minus. Whatever comes, tell me. That side I will take. So many are there. 180 into 5. Why? Oh, 16 minus 11 is 5. Oh, okay. Confusion. Okay, 5 cube by 6. Now tell me. Okay. Print mistake. If it is suppose that mistake is continued, nothing to worry. Within no time I will tell wrong. Because I know the value of C1, C2. Why? Because I know the answer. Already we solved from left origin. So, when you solve from left origin, I know slope and depression anywhere. Oh, where cube? 180 into 5 cube by 6, correct? 30678. Positive. If it is positive, take that side equal to minus 30. See, 1 minute. Gone. I saw the display, came here, forgot. That's how much I got memory power. I can never by heart. See, that is ruled out. Now once again forgot. 30678. 678. I will call this as 678. Equation number 2. Now, directly tell me. 1 minus 2 will give you, see, 4C1 minus 16C1 is minus 12C1 equal to, this will cancel, 384 minus of this number. That I will calculate. Because why? Because you are taking hours together. That is 384 minus 30678 equal to plus 31062. Therefore, tell the value of C1 first. C1. Tell me, how much is your C1? The moment when you give C1 value, I will not see, I will tell you correct or wrong. C1 2588.5. Yes, correct. Because see, 2588.5 is there. See, that's all. Suppose that mistake is not corrected, you won't get it. I will never get to panic. 2588.5. 1 minute now. That slope is anti-clockwise. It has to come minus. Then substituting anywhere, you get C2. Tell C2 value. Either substitute here or substitute here. Tell C2 value first. C2. C2 has to come. C2. I am not seeing your answer there. C2 has to come minus, not minus, plus 10738. 10738 should be C2 value. C2 should come plus 10738. Tell me how much it comes. Tell me. Substitute either here or here. Tell C2 value. Plus 10738. Therefore, I will do one thing. Therefore, remember, your C1 equal to minus 2588.5 is the C1 value, and your C2 value is plus 10738. Okay, over. Now we are ready for full calculation. These all I will rub and start fresh. Especially, see, those who are in teaching line, warning. See, you by taking origin at C last time, I know what theta and y came there. I know how to use sign convention. Suppose anywhere, you before committing like this, C2 has to come. Be careful. If you make a mistake there and answer is not coming, you will lose the face. You don't know, students, how they will make fun of you if you get stuck that way. So advice for all those who are going for teaching line or those who are teachers, in any public, before committing like this, have 100% confidence. Or at the end of this question, I will show my grip. If you get that grip, okay, then do whatever you want. See, then you can play like anything. Then you can play like anything, but not now. At the end of the class, I will tell. If not today, next class I will tell. The grip I will tell you. Okay. 1 minute now. This I am not removing. This all I will remove. Everything is over. Now we are ready for operation. Oh, you. Okay. See. Now, instead of wasting time, you should do it now. This is 16 meter. This is 19 meter. Okay. Now start. What all they want? See, they want one, slope at supports, theta A and theta B. Second one, they want slope and deflection at the extreme ends. One, at the point C they want, also at the point D they want. Then 3, they want slope and deflection once they want at E, then they want at F. Okay. This is the first part. This you do it. Remember now, theta is clockwise positive. If you get positive, it is clockwise. Suppose you get negative, you have to write answer anti-clockwise. Deflection is upward positive. Okay. Tell fast now, just for understanding, just to know. Tell the answer. See, last time, when C was origin, theta at anything at C 0, anything at B 3 meter, anything at E 8 meter, anything at F 12 meter, anything at B 15 meter, anything at D 19 meter. Now full reverse. Tell the answer. Now you can do it. To get theta A, put x equal to how much? For here, for C, tell me x equal to, for D, tell me x equal to, for E, tell me x equal to, for x equal to. See, E x equal to means use slope equation, get theta C, use deflection equation, get yc. Start, fast. To get slope at A, put x equal to first. My origin is here now. My origin is here. To get slope at A, put x equal to first. First tell me. Full will change. Whether you take left origin or right origin, final answer has to come same. Tell me answer. Put x equal to. Why nobody telling? To get slope at A, put x equal to. Why? This much delay. 16 meter. To get, now I will tell you, leave it. I won't ask unnecessarily, waste time. To get slope at B, put x equal to 4 meter. To get slope and deflection at C, put x equal to 19 meter. You tell me clear or not? To get slope and deflection at D, put x equal to 0. To get slope and deflection at E, put x equal to 11 meter. For slope and deflection at F, put x equal to 7 meter. And when you substitute, do not consider the term which gives negative inside the bracket. Already lakhs of times over. Actually not lakhs of time, maybe 30, 40 times over. Full clear? Tell me. If full clear, I'll leave it for you to know. Full clear? If it fully clear, I will leave it for you. Why should you waste time? You, when you are free, okay, now, you have to get the answer given here. See, you will surely get that because this answer is without sign. Correct? Therefore, answer, see the table there, check the answer. Okay, all confirmed. When you are free, check it. Okay, now, last part of the question. That is where trouble came yesterday. See, trouble came yesterday. That is, trouble means what? You made me irritated, fully, you gave full irritation. Lastly, y maximum, red color beda, black color. Lastly, right, maximum deflection for the beam. Maximum deflection for beam. For the entire beam. Now, I told you something. When the beam bends, see, overhang will bend. That overhang will bend. Span also will bend. We do not know where more will come. If the overhangs are more, span is lesser, overhang bending will be too critical. So maximum deflection will be in the overhanging portion. Or if the overhangs are smaller and span is bigger, or overhangs are lightly loaded, span heavy loaded, then span will bend too much between support. So you cannot tell. So for Y max for entire beam, you should take will be maximum of what? Deflection Y at free ends. Free ends means what? C or D, and also maximum between supports. Support, that is C. It can be here, it can be here, it can be here. It can go up also. Now, right here. Therefore, to get Y, this all I told yesterday. To get Y maximum, therefore, to get Y maximum for entire beam, first find deflection Y at the free ends. Fortunately, already over. If already not over, calculate now. To get deflection at D, put x equal to 0. To get deflection at C, put x 16. We already know the answer. Answer is already over. Deflection at C is 6310.5 by EI meter up. Deflection at other extreme and YD is 10738 by EI meter up. Okay, now these are over. Now Y max between supports. Yesterday's class thoroughly explained. So write once again. See, tell me, between support, maximum deflection is between supports, Y max is likely will be, tell me, between which points? See, natural bending. Between support, Y max is likely to be, anyway, if wrong you can make out later by X value. Likely to be between which points? E and F. Okay. Last class fully explained. That is, okay, let Y max be between supports be at a point X, at X from origin. Note, this all I will remove now. Note, X from origin correct. And note, this I don't require. I can use this sketch now. This BM equation I can remove for writing something here. Okay. Note, this is the beam. See here. This is the beam. This is your A. This is your B. We don't know. We are assuming this way bending. Okay. This is your Y max between supports. So point is X. Origin is here. Your origin is here. D is the origin. X goes this way. And we are assuming between E and F. Somewhere here E, somewhere here F. And distance of the point from here is X. And wherever Y is maximum, theta equal to 0. Therefore, right here. Therefore, for this, now, for for the point X, right here, now, for point X between E and F, your X should be more than, tell me answer. Now see, last time I told you, X should be more than 8, less than 12 from that side. Now from this side, tell me, X should be more than how much and less than how much? Tell the two numbers. From that side, X should be more than how much and less than how much? Tell the two numbers. First tell the number, less should be more than how much. Then tell the number, less than how much. First. From there you are taking. X should be more than how much. Don't waste time writing everything. Just type the two numbers. More than 7, less than 11. X should be more than 7 meter, but less than 11 meter. Therefore, what? Now write. At the point of Y maximum, theta 0, therefore equate theta X to 0 for your X more than 7 meter but less than 11 meter. Okay. See there. Start. Theta 0. 0 equal to C1. Where is C1? Minus 2588.5 plus minus 36 into 5x cube by 6. X cube by 6 plus 511.5. See, X more than 7. 511.5 into X minus 4 whole square by 2. It is still there. Minus 120 into X minus 7 whole square by 2. Stop. Why stop? Because our X is more than 7, less than 11. When X is less than 11, right? X minus 11 will not come. Or common sense. When you take the point here, when you look that side, in the BM equation, UDL will come, reaction will come, and this point load will come. This will not come. Common sense also will do. Solve the equation and tell me the value of X. Then write. Therefore, the X we got is more than 7 meter and less than 11 meter. Therefore, our assumption of Y maximum between the points E and F is correct. And now do one thing. I'll take a small break. I am talking too much. Okay. Get the X value up to 4 decimal correctly. You have to get, I will tell you, you have to get it 16, 9.08, 65. 6.9135 meter. 6.95. Oh, sorry. 19 meters. Total 19 minus 9.0865. You have to get 9.9135 meter. You have to get 9.9135 meter. Okay. You get it. Getting, anybody got it? Tell me. Anybody got it? X. Anybody got 9.9135? Yes, correct. How I know? Tell me. Because yesterday class I got from left side how much? 9.0865 here. From left hand if it is 9.0865, from right side it should be 19 minus that one. Otherwise my class will stop forever. Okay, correct. Now lastly, substituting X equal to how much? 9.9135 meter, you write. EI, Y max, not for beam, Y max between what? A and B, between supports, upward equal to, substitute in the deflection equation, see 9 point something, this term is not there, this term is not there. You show the calculation and tell me the answer now with sign. I'll take 5 minutes break, come back and give you other solution today. Okay. I'll come back. I'll take just 5 minutes break. Not much. You have to get the same answer as yesterday. I will write the answer. Okay. 1 2 minus 1 2 1 2 any answer 1 2 276 276.4 you should get. Therefore, Y max between supports equal to 12276.4 by EI meter down at where? At 9.9135 meter from D. Okay. Now last thing, closing part, where I should write? I will write here. Therefore, Y max for entire beam equal to, see, this free end is 6310, that free end is 10738, this is 122, oh, this one only, 12276.4 by EI meter down where you write. But by chance, if it comes to 13,000, not that one, this is the maximum, be careful. Okay, I'll take 5 minutes break. You type in the comment box, you got that answer or not. You in the comment box you type, did you get that Y max or not? I will come back and solve alternative approach where I will remove the overhangs and introduce the couple and tell you shortcut method. And then someone will ask me, sir, if you remove the overhang and introduce the couple there, you can find slope and deflection after A up to B. Suppose I want free end, what to do? That you are helpless. That you have to do it by yourself only. Or that you have to do by taking origin and see, don't go to shortcut. But if somebody asks me, I am telling you are asking for whom? For general public or me? Sir, general public. Then let them not do that one. Take C origin and do it or D origin and do it. No, suppose I ask you, you are asking me, no problem. If I get the answer for AB, I know how to back push it and get the other things within no time. I will tell you later. That's why I told you, I will show the grip. And but I won't tell you what I am doing. What I am doing, I will not tell. Because why? You won't understand. What I am doing, I will not tell. Just for fun. Okay. 1878.5. No. 2535.5. Okay, 18. Take your calculator. 2535.5. Got it? 2535.5. You can see this number. 2535.5. Can you see it? Can you see that number? 2535.5. Okay, now from that number subtract, see, from 2535.5 subtract half into 3 into 450. What is the answer? From this number subtract half into 3 into 450. Don't ask me what is going on. Tell the answer. From this number subtract half into 3 into 450. Answer. First. From this number subtract 1878.5. Yes or no? Tell me. Tallying or not tallying? Tallying or not tallying? Tallying or not tallying? Why you don't bother? Tallying or not tallying? First, tallying. I used moment area method for a shortcut there. Sometime I will use some other concept, intercept and extra value deflection I will calculate. I can do whatever I want. So many methods are there. The moment I got the answer at A, anywhere here, I can get. But general public, no. Do one thing. I'll take a small break now. Just 5 minutes break. Or 1 minute now. I'll continue. 1 minute. Is everything clear now? Okay, 1 minute. Before taking break, is everything clear? I can give some more things so that we save the time. That trick further I will, next or later, I will tell this value, and this value, and this value by seeing the answer at A and B. I will tell at the end of the class. Just to make you know that the one who is teaching you, he knows at least basic concept. That is, he is not a person, that is me, not a person who comes by hearting to the class or prepared sheets, see the paper and write. I come as it is. Now, is it clear? I will go to the next part. Clear? Okay. Now, because before the break I will tell you something. This I will remove. Now do one thing. Now go for one note you are write. One note. See, overhanging beams, problem is when you take origin outside, C1, C2, you have to calculate. And C2 will not be, sorry, mic is not on. C2 will not come 0. But you already know, simply supported beam. You already know x equal 0, y equal 0. X equal to L, y equal 0. How much C2 comes? Tell me. Simply supported beam. All this complication is not there. X equal 0, y equal 0. X equal to L, y equal 0. You always get C2 how much? If it is simply supported beam, you always get C2 how much? Tell me. How much C2 you get? How much you get C2? Simply support beam, how much? 0. Okay, now, by chance, if overhangs are lightly loaded, tell me, practically, more deflection will take place where? In the overhanging portion, see, usually overhang will be how much? 1 meter, 1.5 meter, that's all. Between support span will be around 10 meter like that. So, critical for deflection is what? Overhang is critical or span between support is critical. Tell me, practically. Overhang critical, between support critical. There, and remember, in that case, that overhang is helping you or troubling you. Because of the overhang, the deflection for the span will increase or decrease compared to simply support beam. Tell me, compared to no overhang case, if overhang is there, it is helping you. Why? See, when overhang is there, it will reduce the deflection. So having overhang is advantage for deflection, and I told you also for BM. Remember, in the SFD BMD I told you, if there is no overhang, heavy bending will come. Because of overhang, BM become lesser. So economical. In a practically, providing reasonable overhang has advantage. Clear? Reasonable overhang has advantage, not disadvantage. It is helping you to control the bending moment and also control the deflection. Yes. Now, make a note. Suppose our interest is deflection only between supports. Suppose. Then we need, you should write everything I am telling now. Then we need not solve the complete beam with overhang. Instead, you consider only the beam between supports. See, only AB. Tell me, between AB what is there? There is UDL. See, I write here. And 2-point load. 2-point load. UDL. This is 180 kilonewton. This is 120 kilonewton. Span is 12 meter. This distance is how much? 5 meter. This distance is 3 meter. If you want, this is 4 meter. Okay, this is a beam. But because of the overhang, effect is there. Now, you do not consider overhang. Instead, you see right there, cut the overhang. So, overhang will transfer a load and couple. Correct or not? overhang will transfer a load and couple to the span, to the support here. It will transfer load and couple to the support. Clear? You should write everything. Those who are serious should write everything what I am telling. Yes. Now, that load you need not consider. Why? The load is directly transferred to support. It will go as a compression for the column. See, whatever load acting here, when it comes to B, see, it will cover. See, the overhang, what it will do is, see, this load will be transferred here. This is A, this is B. This load is 150 kilonewton and a anti-clockwise couple of 150 into 3 equal to 450 kN meter. Here, the overhang will transfer a load of 36 kN per meter for 4 meter. How much? 144 kilonewton. And it will transfer a couple of 30 clockwise couple of 36 into 4 into 4 by 2. What is number? 36 into 4 into 4 by 2. What is the number? 36 into 4 into 4 by 2. Number first. 36 into 4 into 4 by 2. Fast. 288. Thank you. 288 kilonewton meter. This here. Now, this 150 kilonewton will compress the support. See, therefore, this 150 and 144 has no bending effect. Clear or not? That loads has no bending effect. Clear or not? Fast. This I told you in the BSK class long back. That point load to support has no bending effect. It will not cause bending. Clear or not? Fast. There is no bending effect. If you tell yes means I will continue. That 150 point load will not have bending effect. You are not commenting. If it will comment fast, I am feeling tired. I want to take a small break. If you agree, I will give the sketch and ask you find reaction. You see, no answer. One small yes. Ayyo, don't bother. This, see, without knowing that much concept, do you think I will commit anything? Is it possible? Me making a mistake in the basic concept. Is it possible, first of all? Tell me. Is it possible? I will give solution. Is it possible that I give a wrong solution? Yes, sir. Ayyo, Nanda Kumar is telling yes. It is possible that I can give wrong solution. Who is Nanda Kumar? Who is that? He is telling yes, I can give wrong solution. What is this? You don't believe me? I can give wrong solution. What is that yes? Oh, I think old yes, I think. I don't think you will tell yes, you can give wrong solution. Your yes is that what? It has no bending effect, yes. We always believe you, sir. Okay, then. Therefore, don't worry. So, this 150 has no bend. See, I will tell you why. Actually, see, the supports are like this. They support here. See, this load will give reaction here. This load will give reaction here. So this is directly transferred. This I told in the BSK class. So therefore, for the beam, the effect will be anti-clockwise couple of 450 kilonewton meter here and clockwise couple of 288 kilonewton meter here. This is the beam to be analyzed between the support. Clear now? Tell me. So there is a reaction called VA here, reaction called VB. This VA VB will not come equal to that VA VB. New VA VB will come. This VA VB is the reaction at A and B if the overhang is transferring that load. So be careful. This VA VB will not be that VA VB. I will tell it, don't worry. Now clear, tell me. One who asked a doubt. Now clear. This reaction will not be that reaction. Now clear? Okay. Now do one thing. Now, when I take a break, you take sigma m right here. You cannot use this reaction. This reaction is with including overhang load. Take sigma m about A0, sigma V0, see, minus VB into 12 plus 288 plus 120 into something, 180 into something, UDL of 36 kN per meter for 12 into 12 by 2 minus 450, you get VB, sigma V0, get VA. Anybody, if you cannot find reactions, why you came to my class? So when I take the break, you tell the VB value and VA value. I'll take just 5 minutes break and come back and continue and finish the question today only. Finish the question today only. No problem. Okay. Tell the reactions. I don't know the reactions. Clear now? See, wrong concept I cannot tell. Even in dreams also I will not tell. Leave alone class. In the dream also I will not tell wrong concept. Okay. Just 3-4 minutes. I'll come back. Okay. I'll write the reaction. I'll start now. Okay. I'll start. Oh, mic I should put. I'll finish today only. Don't worry. Because now it is an ordinary question. So I can give brief solution. You can work out later. Brief, I'll solve it. See, your VA will come. Don't give wrong value. If you give wrong value, full gone. VA will come. How much? 364.5. Don't tell wrong value. VB will come 367.5. Are you sure? Are you sure? If wrong means full gone, I am losing my credibility then. If it is anything wrong, I will lose my credibility. 180 into 5 plus 120 into 9 plus 36 into 9 into 4, 36 into 12 square by 2 plus 288 minus 450 is divided by 12. 367.5, okay, done. Minus 36 into 12 minus 300 is 364.5, correct. Okay, now do one thing, reaction over. Now start fresh calculation. I will finish fast now. Why? Now see, again do one thing. This is earlier point is E and F. Remember now. Now you won't get slope and deflection at the free end. But I can get. But if you want to get, you should come to the level, at least my not level up to here, my shoulder level. If you can come up to shoulder level, I can lift you up to this level. If at all you come to this level. Okay, start. Now, solution 1. Take A origin. I will tell simultaneously both. Solution 2. Take B origin. Origin. See, start. Fast till finish. Anti-clockwise couple of 450 kilonewton meter. Clockwise couple of 288 kilonewton meter. Actually, to this reaction, you add 150. Tell the reaction. To this reaction, you add 150. Tell the reaction. Tell the reaction. To this reaction, you add 150. Tell the reaction. That is the extra reaction because of overhang. Answer. To whatever VA you got, add 160. 150. What is the answer? Add 150 just for fun. You will get back the old reaction. Correct or not? Correct or not? You got back the old reaction. Correct? Okay. Now, this reaction A, this is B, this is reaction VA, not previous reaction, 364.5 kilonewton, reaction VB equal to 367.5 kilonewton. Okay. UDL here. 1 point load here, 1 point load here. See, 180 kilonewton and 120 kilonewton. This is C, this is CL, A, B, C, D, this is EF. Okay, start fast. I'll fast solve it now. Take A origin, X this way, section is here, it is passing to UDL. Okay, start. Bending moment at XX. BM at XX equal to, see, minus 450 into is not there, plus 364.5 into X minus 36 into X square by 2 minus 180 into, I go that side, 180 into X minus, I forgot right here. We should write everything here. See, this is 5 meter, I forgot right. This is 9 meter, this is 12 meter. Okay, forgot. Minus 180 into X minus 5 minus 120 into X minus 9 equate to EI d square y by dx square. Then integrate 2 times. C1 minus 450 into X, 364.5 into X square by 2. That all you can do it. One more integration. C1x plus C2. Put y at A0, that is y becomes 0 for X equal to 0. Y at B0, y becomes 0 for X equal to 12 meter. You will surely get C2 0 and C1 will come. I will calculate C1 for your information. With the calculator turned this way. Minus 2553.5. Minus 2553.5. Guaranteed. Okay. Now, to find slope at A, put X equal to 0. To find slope at B, put X equal to 12 meter. To find slope and deflection at E, put X equal to 5 meter. To get slope and deflection at F, put X equal to 9 meter. Maximum deflection, find between E and F. For Y maximum, your X will come surely. That time you got 9.0865. This time 6.0865 meter will come. When you substitute that, your Y max will come I will calculate y maximum. Again, calculator turned this way. 12276.4. That is called confidence. 12276.4 by EI meter down. Can you work out this one? If you can work out this one, I will tell you alternate solution. So for those who are serious, those who are not serious, why should I bother? Correct. Okay. Now, you do one thing. Take B origin. Take a section here. X from there. Mark 3, 7 and 12. Mx equal to, see there, minus 288 plus 367.5 into x minus 36 into x square by 2 minus 120 into x minus 3 minus 180 into x minus 7. Integrate 2 times to get C1, C2. YB0, Y0, X0, C2, 0. Y equal to 0 for x equal to 12. Now your C1 will come. Hey, come. Minus 2972.5. Now, to find slope at B, put x equal to 0. To find slope at A, put x equal to 12. Slope and deflection at E, put x equal to 7 meter. Slope and deflection at F, put x equal to 3 meter. Y maximum, x from this side. Now for Y maximum, now your x will come 9.9135. I will calculate. 4.91. 4.91. Allah. That is 9.9135 from that side. 4.9135 meter. Now your Y max will come x equal to, when you substitute that, your Y max will come 12276.4 by EI. You solve correctly. Tell me, can you solve? This much speed I don't do, because why? Now it is the ordinary question. Can you solve all this? Tell me. Correctly, can you solve everything now? Tell first, yes or no. Those who are dedicated and sincere. Those who are not dedicated, not sincere, I give least value for it. Those who are serious, now you can solve and check all the answer. Fast. Tell me fast. Now can you solve and get all the answer? If yes means, I will conclude. Why waste time? I will tell something else now. If yes means, I will tell something else. I don't know, previous yes, new yes is not there. At least someone should tell yes. Yes, now you can solve, because this is earlier question. Simply support beam. This is not overhanging beam. Only thing is the couples, I wrote bending moment equation. Okay, now what you do is you completely solve everything. Next time when I ask you, you tell answer is perfectly coming. Then in front of you, using this result or this result, you ask me slope and deflection anywhere here, slope and deflection anywhere here. Original overhang. You ask me where you want. You prepare a point if you want. See, this span is 4 meter. This is 3 meter. If you want, you mark a point at 0.2 meter from here, 0.6 meter here. You mark 3 and using the previous solution, get the slope and deflection there. Ask me in the class. I will take my calculator. I will tell what I am doing. But I can't explain. I will tell what I am doing. The moment where you want, I will tell. It should come so much and so. You will tell yes coming. Or C and D, you already know the answer. What? Theta C, Y C, theta D, Y D. I will tell how to get it. I will use Macaulay's method. I will use partially moment area method, and also I may use some other method. I may use some other method. See, I may use some other method also. Even sometime I use strain energy method also to get pakka answer. I will mix the methods. But for you, it is advisable not to go for that one. A small sign mistake will spoil everything. Don't do it. But in objective question, I am starting a course for objective first. There I will tell you. If overhang beams are there, suppose in exam overhanging beam, see P, they will tell L by 2. What is deflection here? You can find it by using a trick. That trick I will tell in that class. Because these are all the questions required for GATE or engineering service. Usually PG, CET, they don't ask. PWD, BWSSB, all they don't ask. But GATE and engineering service, they ask this one. I will tell how you can get it within no time, maybe 20 seconds. There, some tricks are there. Using some principles. You transfer here, find the slope, find the deflection there, then add the extra deflection due to the load. It is PLQ by 3A plus M into what? Plus theta into L by 2. That's all. That with the principle I will tell at that time. Maybe after 2 months, I am starting the course. Not right now. Maybe in the middle of October, full marathon class for entire structural engineering. Let it be for PWD or BWSSB, for this one or that one, any competitive examination, complete coverage of structural engineering, mechanics, SOM, SA1, SA2 called advanced structures, RCC, steel and PSC, and part of matrix. Not now, October middle, after my FPM class stops. And remember, coming week onwards, always come in time, because why? After your class at 9:15, I am starting FPM on Monday. Therefore, if I delay the class here, I won't get rest. So, see, all these days, sometimes 7:30, I come at 7:35, not that much, not that I am lazy like that. Sometimes it happens. But next week onwards, I will try to maintain time exact 7:30. Maybe 7:30, 7:31 or 7:32, you can see me come live. So, log in, don't wait too much time. But in case some problem is there, I am helpless. Suppose some problem is there, I am helpless. But otherwise, as much as possible, I start the class from, because why? After your class, I need at least 15 minutes break before the FPM class. So, next week onwards, you be ready at 7:30. Agreed? Be ready at 7:30. Agreed? Agreed or not agreed? No comment. Next week onwards, be ready at 7:30. So that it will come late problem. Because I want at least 15 minutes break after this class. No comment. Okay. Thank you. Now, solve the question. No. Someone told, please tell the trick. Okay. But no. Some of the trick is beyond your capacity. Some of the tricks are beyond your capacity. Sorry if I underestimate you. Someone may come, no sir, I got capacity. Let me first test you. After I test him, he will tell, no sir, I am going. Why? No, not possible. If we got that much grip, then okay, agreed. Okay, thank you.